everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Love Yourself Answer BTS album. They just recently came back and I did receive this on Friday, but I tend to lag it a little bit. So here is that right here. It has a nice holographic cover, and this is version E right here. So nice. So there's that. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So here is the poster for the version E. This was a pre-order through Amazon, and I also did a pre-order through Target as well. And I think both of them were version E. So let me just go ahead and open it. So nice. And this was actually a version that I did want. Let's see if I can try to show you guys everybody here. And then Jen right here at the bottom. So here is the album itself. I'm trying to get the lighting right, but I'm sorry if I don't get it right. And I'm sorry for the movement as well. But here, once you open it, here is the first album. This one does come with two albums. So we have album A here, and then all the way in the back is album B right here. And then I also did hear that there was a misprint on these as well, that something with this right here, the cover was like wrong or something like that. So I don't know, I just saw that today. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start opening this up. And then this was the one where they were like in the bubbles, and here the poster is in like smaller size. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here's the bubble. There's Jimin. Bigger picture of Jimin right there. There's Namjoon. Taehyung. And I hate opening these up like all the way, because I hate like to like just, you know, make all these dents in it and stuff. Here's Tae again. There's Yoongi. He's right there. And if you did get an album, what version did you get, and whose photo card did you get? There's J-Hope. Okay, and then they do come with stickers here. And then with her, I just put my stickers to the side because I don't want to use my stickers. Here's this right here. And here's the notes. And then an album survey. And then here is that special photo card. I'm trying to see if I can get it to like, it looks like they're moving every go. And I was lucky enough to get one of these because not everybody got one of these. And then I got Tae here. I feel like with these photo cards, they're like Pokemon, you gotta catch them all. There's Tae right there. And there's Jin right here. I'm sorry for all that movement. There's Jin. And there's Jungkook. Okay, and here is side A right here, and it basically just tells you all of these songs that are in the album A. And let me know what your favorite song is so far. I have to say my favorite trivia has to be Seesaw. I don't know, something about like Yoongi singing and his voice, I love it. Here are the lyrics. It's just lyrics here. These are still the A, album A. And then here's B. I've been listening to A non-stop. I haven't even put in B. So I actually had a and then these are the thank yous. actually haven't pulled this one out. I had to pull this out from the cart because I was like, I do need to do that video. I need to pull it out. But anyways, there's that one here. And then I have a special little giveaway for you guys. I did go back to Target because I did do a pre-order from them. Again, I got version E. So I did pick up another album, and this is S, version S. So this is going to be a giveaway for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and just set that up for you guys. I'll leave the link down in the description bar below how to enter. And basically it's going to be an international giveaway for you guys. So you guys are going to be able to win your very own album here. Let me put that to the side. It's still sealed and all that. Funny story, I went to Target and I didn't find it like anywhere, but on the app it said that they had it in stock. So I had to go ask somebody. They had them behind like the electronic stuff because I read that they were like stealing the photo cards in the album, so it's kind of messed up. But yeah, here's a copy for you guys for one lucky winner. And then my next video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of their light stick. So stay tuned for next video. And again, I'll leave all that information down in the description bar below to go ahead and enter. And I'll run it for about 2 weeks. So yeah, let me know your comments down below what your favorite song is so far. If you did get an album, what version did you get and who you got in the photo card. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.